Jutta, teaching SSPM Junior College for the last 10 years.
I teach English.
And yes, I teach English to the junior college students. I'm glad that Swapnapurti Education Research Foundation has come to us and they're guiding the students to take up different career options. They conducted this aptitude test for our students, which is really an excellent way for the students to know which career options they should select. So I'm really glad to have them in our school.
Anything on the national education system?
I think the national education system needs to be more practical oriented. What we have is the traditional method of teaching. Students are not aware of different career options which are available for them. But fortunately we have this NGO which has come up to us, and they've helped our students. So I think that's going to help them.
They're going to open up.
Thank you, ma'am.
हिंदी में बोलो, अंग्रेजी में बोलो.
Anything, ma'am.
It's
It's all coming up there.
हाँ, आ रहा है. चलो, मैं Mrs. Sanoke, SSPMS Day School and Junior College. I'm working here as a supervisor. I teach history, civics, geography to the students, and especially history, civics to the standard 10 children. और बहुत अच्छा लगता है बच्चों को पढ़ाना. लेकिन आज का जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है वो केवल बच्चों को एजुकेशन देना नहीं है, उसमें कुछ बदलाव लाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि बदलाव से ही बच्चे बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं. तो केवल किताबों का नॉलेज रखना, किताबों में जो दिया गया उसके बारे में पढ़े उसना, मुझे लगता है कि ये सही नहीं है. बच्चों को उसके बाहर जाकर भी बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहिए. केवल डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, लॉयर बनने से कुछ नहीं होता है. इसके साथ साथ बच्चों को आजकल दुनिया भर में जो मिल रहा है उसके बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और ऐसे आप जैसी जो संस्थाएँ हैं, स्वप्नपूर्ति एजुकेशन एंड रिसर्च फाउंडेशन संस्था जो है बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रही है कि बच्चों को करियर गाइडेंस दे रही है. बच्चों को अलग अलग क्षेत्र जो उनके लिए आज के ज़माने में खुले हैं उनके बारे में बता रही है. और इससे उन बच्चों को जो कभी भी अपने घर से बाहर जाकर कुछ सीख नहीं सकते हैं, कुछ देख नहीं सकते हैं, उनको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. हम लोग सच में आपके शुक्रगुजार हैं कि आप लोगों ने हमारे विद्यालय को चुना, हमारे स्कूल और कॉलेज को चुना, जहाँ पर आप लोगों ने हमारे बच्चों को इतना कुछ बताया है. और आशा करती हूँ कि इससे हमारे स्कूल के बच्चों का बहुत फ़ायदा होगा. और आप लोगों का सच में बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
I'm Mrs. Archana. I'm in the college since last 10 years. I'm teaching IT to Junior College. As this was introduced in 2001, this was a new subject introduced by the board. Students finding out that IT can be useful later on, they have started taking this. But as I have taught them since last 10 years, I found out that most of them just take because it's a craze. This is the reason behind it, that since till 10th standard they just know the sector of IT, or they know only it is useful for engineering, but the depth of it is not known. It's because they don't know the content in detail, just the names are known. They are just taking the subject. But what I feel that what your NGO is doing at present, conducting the maybe an aptitude test, maybe besides that which will help them, the school students, to know the content in detail and choose the appropriate subject. Only somebody taking something and just because my friend is doing this, I'll be doing that. This is the tendency which has been increased, should be reduced. Maybe this should be changed from the school days only. The reason parents are also forcing them, reasons even parents are unaware. What I feel, besides students, besides the young generation, they should also concentrate on the parents to know the contents and details, whatever. Okay. Others, what my colleagues have told, I'll repeat the same thing. I feel that you have come down here, that will help the students. Maybe few students, at least if they get the proper track workshop, it will be beneficial to them. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am.